You ever hear a song go viral on TikTok and think, bro, I could have done this better in my sleep?
Hand to God.
Well, here's the trick smart artists are quietly using to ride that same wave without a label, without ads, and without even a huge following. It's called the viral cover trick. And if you do it right, one trending song could unlock an avalanche of real fans, not fake views, not bot followers. I'm talking about permanent growth. Let me show you how it works.
Can I talk to you real quick? Just a second, please.
Real quick, for you artists who really care about skyrocketing your career, I put together a free cheat code checklist that breaks down all these hacks step by step. Click this link in the description to grab it anytime and use it like a Spotify growth map.
Now, where were we?
Setting up the whole picture.
One of my artists saw an 80s classic skyrocket on socials. Within hours, they tracked a dreamy synth pop cover, dropped it on Spotify, and in just 10 days, they got picked up by a playlist called Best 80s Covers. Their Spotify streams quadrupled.
Oh my God.
But that's not even the best part. New fans started binging their original songs like a Netflix rabbit hole. That one cover didn't just get clicks, it cracked open the door to their whole world. And no, it wasn't luck, it was timing. Some people hear cover and immediately think karaoke night or it's not original. But here's the shift. The right cover, dropped at the right moment, isn't just a song, it's a strategy. Here's why. When a track blows up, maybe from a TikTok trend or a throwback in a Netflix show, listeners go straight to Spotify. But they're not searching by artist. They're typing in song titles, which means if your version pops up next to the original, that click isn't random. It's algorithmically placed and emotionally loaded. Hot damn! They're not looking for you. They're chasing the feeling that song gave them. Your job? Meet them there with a twist. Think of it like algorithmic photobombing. The hype train's already in motion. You just need to hop on and show up with something they didn't know they needed. Let me break it down in 3 quick steps. Before I show you the secret, let me show you who's telling it.
You help a lot of people out here, bro.
It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you.
Make a song for you, so you know. I ain't even started. Got a couple things I'm working through. I ain't even started. Got lots of shit on my to-do. I'm just about to flex. That don't include.
Step 1, move fast. The second you see a track trending, record your version. Flip the vibe, make it acoustic, turn it cinematic, reimagine it with your own sound. The point is to be early, not perfect. Step 2, title. If the original is Running Up That Hill, yours should be Running Up That Hill cover. Step 3, let the algorithm work. One of my artists dropped an acoustic answer track to a viral love song. Same chords, opposite perspective. Within a week, it started showing up in that song's radio. No ads, no playlist pitching, just pure algorithmic gravity. Why does this work so well?
Tell me why.
Because you're not begging for attention. You're crashing a party that's already packed. And instead of yelling over the noise, you show up with a better vibe on the aux chord. You're not fighting upstream. You're letting momentum do the heavy lifting. But here's the catch. When they do click your version, what they see next matters. Because one good song might get the play, but a world that feels real, that's what earns a fan. I've seen it firsthand. A nostalgic cover pulled in 40,000 streams in 2 weeks. Her next original, 10K plays off the carryover alone. Think of it like this. A well-timed cover is a sample at a bakery. One bite, and if it hits, they're back for the full slice. You don't have to be a cover artist, but you can use one to open the door.
What more could you possibly want?
So next time a throwback starts trending, don't just scroll past it. Don't just think, that's cool. Think, how can I flip this in my style?
It's called being talented.
Because someone's going to ride that wave. Might as well be you. And if you're still here, you're not just watching, you're absorbing cheat codes most artists never hear. Grab the 50 Spotify hacks from my description below for free and go to my channel for even more cheat code videos like this one.
The end.